Hello everyone, welcome to Learner's Point. In this video, there is an essay on importance of education in 500 words. So let's start. The true wealth of a nation lies in the knowledge and skills of its people, making education the currency of prosperity. And a well-educated mind is a powerful tool, capable of shaping a world that reflects wisdom and compassion. Education stands as the guiding light that illuminates the path to knowledge, understanding, and personal development. It acts as the key unlocking doors of opportunity and empowering individuals to navigate the complexities of the world. This essay delves into the multifaceted importance of education, exploring its role in personal growth, societal progress, and global advancement. Education is the foundation upon which dreams are built, providing the scaffolding for a successful life. Empowering individuals. Education serves as a catalyst for individual empowerment, providing tools for critical thinking, problem solving, and informed decision making. Beyond imparting knowledge, a well-rounded education fosters essential skills like communication, creativity, and adaptability. This empowerment lays the foundation for personal success and fulfillment. Socioeconomic development. A cornerstone of socioeconomic development, education contributes to enhance economic growth and reduce poverty rate in nation with a strong focus on it. Empowered citizens become valuable assets, driving innovation, productivity, and social cohesion. The cycle of progress initiated by education creates a ripple effect throughout society. Fostering equality. Education plays a pivotal role in breaking down barriers and fostering equality. It acts as a powerful tool for social mobility, offering individuals from diverse backgrounds an equal chance to succeed. By ensuring access to quality education for all, societies work towards mitigating disparities and promoting inclusivity. Building informed societies. Informed societies form the bedrock of democracy and progress. Education cultivates civic responsibility, encouraging active participation in the democratic progress. Informed citizens engage in meaningful dialogue, contribute to public discourse, and make decisions aligned with the collective good. Advancing science and technology. The relentless march of progress in science and technology is fueled by education. Educated minds from the laboratory to the boardroom drive innovation and push the boundaries of human achievements. A robust education system is crucial for nurturing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and leaders who shape the future. Global competitiveness. In an interconnected world, global competitiveness hangs on the quality of education. Nations with well-educated population are better positions to adapt to the demand of a rapidly changing global landscape. Education serves as a passport to global competitiveness, enabling individuals and nations to thrive in trade, technology, and diplomacy. Conclusion. The profound impact of education cannot be overstated. It is a transformative force that empowers individuals, propels societal progress, and steers nations towards a brighter future. Recognizing this impact, societies must invest in the cultivation of knowledge, ensuring that the light of education continues to shine brightly for generations to come. As the beacon of enlightenment, education remains the cornerstone upon which we build a better, more informed, and equitable world.